back to the channel for another snowy Ohio first Buc-ee's construction update. We are in Huber Heights, Ohio, and it is January 31st, 2026.
Yeah, we're sitting in the car this week. We're going to start in the car this week instead of trying to do it from the outside. It's 17 degrees. We're parked on Arts Road, which is across the street from the main entrance of what will be Ohio's first Buc-ee's. Last weekend, Winter Storm Fern hit this area, dropped about 12 inches of snow down here in Huber Heights. Flying the drone doesn't look like they've made a whole lot of progress on the outside, which is very understandable. It's cold and snowy. However, there are people out there working. We saw workers on the roof, workers at the fuel pumps, and workers in that utility building around the back of the property. That's just what we saw. So these guys are not going to let the weather stop them. They're still out there working.
And they've taken also time out to build a snowman.
Yeah, and we'll go ahead and put a picture of that in right here. But that snowman was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Nice to see they got a sense of humor out there working in that cold weather, and they've got it right there near the North Fuel Pump Island so people can see it as they drive by. Good job, guys. Thanks for the snowman. Okay, other than the workers that we saw out there, I really didn't notice any updates with all the snow on the ground that we can report to you today. They're working on the inside. I'm sure there's a lot of progress going on in there that we don't see, and that all needs to happen. Hopefully this stretch of bad weather won't delay the opening. We haven't seen anything that says it will, and we're hoping they can stay on track for April 6th. This past Thursday, I went to Richmond, Indiana to check out the grand opening of the new Waw Wa Travel Center. You weren't with me that day, Sonia.
No, I have a real job.
Anyhow, I'll go ahead and insert a short video of what I saw that day over in Richmond for the Waw Wa grand opening.
3, 2, 1.
While at the grand opening for the Waw Wa, I got to test drive a self-driving Tesla Model Y. Hope you enjoyed that short video clip from the Waw Wa in Richmond, Indiana. If you'd like to see the entire video, go ahead and check it out in our library, and we'd appreciate it if you watch that video. You get to see
What a Waw Wa Travel Center looks like.
this weekend. We're going to miss the bad weather, even though there are a few snow flurries out there, which I'm sure you can see in the drone footage, but areas to the south are going to get snow that typically don't see any snow. Charlotte, North Carolina, Knoxville, Tennessee, even as far south as Florida is supposed to see some snow flurries this week.
And we'd like to thank you guys for taking a hit for us this week.
So if you're in one of those areas that got some snow this weekend, go ahead, drop a comment, let us know where you're watching from and how much snow you got, and if that's kind of out of the normal for your area.
Or what temperature do you guys get?
Thank you guys for taking that bad weather from us, even though we're still sitting with about 12 inches of snow on the ground and 17 degrees, but
It's still cold here.
we don't want it anymore.
No, I'm done.
Well, I think that's going to do it for today. I'd like to thank you for joining us. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to hit the hype button.
Please go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of these Buc-ee's construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
We'll see you down the road, and you enjoy the rest of the video.
This is the south parking lot. You can see some of the logo signs that have not yet been installed. Here in the southeast corner, you see the pieces for the large 125-foot tall sign. Here's a look at the retail store. You can see how much progress has been made over the last several months. This is the small utility building behind the retail store at the back of the property. This is the intersection of I-70 and State Route 235. See, it's still covered with a blanket of snow from last weekend's winter storm. This is the north entrance to the Buc-ees. You can see it's snow covered, but they're getting ready to pour some concrete here at the entrance.